Did you know that you could be earning money while you sleep? Enough to fund your dream vacation? Imagine waking up to find your affiliate marketing efforts have paid for that plane ticket to Bali, or that luxurious stay in a Tuscan villa. It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. For many, the desire to travel the world is stifled by financial constraints. We scroll through stunning Instagram feeds of exotic destinations, our wanderlust growing with each picture, yet the reality of our bank accounts keeps those dreams at bay. But what if I told you there's a way to bridge the gap between your travel aspirations and your budget? Affiliate marketing is a powerful tool that can turn your travel dreams into reality. It's like earning frequent flyer miles without even boarding a plane. By partnering with businesses and promoting their travel-related products or services, you can earn a commission on every sale made through your unique referral link. Imagine the possibilities. You could be lounging on a pristine beach in the Maldives, exploring the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, or savoring the culinary delights of Paris. All of this could be within your reach, thanks to the power of affiliate marketing. It's not just about making money, it's about creating opportunities and experiences that enrich your life. The best part is, you don't need to be a marketing expert to get started. With the right guidance and tools, anyone can become a successful affiliate marketer. Picture yourself waking up in a luxurious Tuscan villa, the sun casting a golden glow over the rolling hills. You sip your morning coffee on the terrace knowing that your hard work in affiliate marketing has made this moment possible. It's a feeling of accomplishment and freedom that is hard to describe. And the best part? You can continue to earn money while you're on vacation, allowing you to extend your stay or plan your next adventure. The joy of seeing your efforts pay off is unparalleled. Imagine the excitement of checking your affiliate dashboard and seeing your earnings grow. It's a tangible reward for your dedication and perseverance. And it's not just about the money, it's about the sense of achievement and the knowledge that you are in control of your financial future. You have the power to turn your dreams into reality, one commission at a time. For many people, the biggest obstacle to travel is financial. The cost of flights, accommodation, and activities can add up quickly, making it seem impossible to afford a dream vacation. But with affiliate marketing, you can overcome this hurdle. By promoting products and services that you are passionate about, you can earn the extra income needed to fund your travels. It's a win-win situation. You help others discover great products, and you get to enjoy the benefits of your hard work. We all love to scroll through Instagram and dream about the beautiful places we see. But what if you could turn those dreams into reality? With affiliate marketing, you can. By sharing your travel experiences and recommendations with your followers, you can inspire others to explore the world while earning a commission on the products and services you promote. It's a way to turn your passion for travel into a profitable venture. The excitement of planning a trip is unmatched. From choosing your destination to booking your flights and accommodation, every step is filled with anticipation. And with affiliate marketing, you can make this process even more enjoyable. As you research and plan your trip, you can share your findings with your audience, helping them to plan their own adventures. It's a way to connect with like-minded travelers and build a community around your shared love of exploration. Financial constraints can be a major barrier to travel, but they don't have to be. With affiliate marketing, you can create a steady stream of income that allows you to save for your dream trips. It's about being smart with your money and finding ways to make it work for you. By leveraging the power of affiliate marketing, you can turn your travel dreams into a reality, one commission at a time. If you're intrigued by the idea of earning money through affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Many people are discovering the potential of this powerful tool and using it to achieve their financial goals. Whether you're looking to fund a dream vacation, pay off debt, or simply create a more flexible lifestyle, affiliate marketing can help you get there. It's about taking control of your financial future and creating the life you want. Affiliate marketing is more than just a way to make money. It's a way to turn your passions into a profitable venture. By sharing your love of travel with others, you can inspire them to explore the world while earning a commission on the products and services you promote. It's a way to create a community of like-minded travelers and build a business around your passion. Think of it as earning frequent flyer miles without even boarding a plane. Every time someone makes a purchase through your referral link, you earn a commission. It's a way to turn your travel dreams into a reality, one sale at a time. And the best part? You can do it from anywhere in the world, giving you the freedom to travel and work on your own terms. By partnering with businesses and promoting their travel-related products or services, you can create a steady stream of income that allows you to fund your travels. It's about building relationships and finding products that you are passionate about. When you promote products that you believe in, your enthusiasm shines through, making it easier to connect with your audience and drive sales. The satisfaction of seeing your efforts pay off is unparalleled. Imagine the excitement of checking your affiliate dashboard and seeing your earnings grow. It's a tangible reward for your dedication and perseverance. And it's not just about the money, it's about the sense of achievement and the knowledge that you are in control of your financial future. You have the power to turn your dreams into reality, one commission at a time. We all have that bucket list of destinations, experiences we long to check off. Whether it's the bustling streets of Tokyo, the serene beaches of Bali, or the historic landmarks of Rome, our dreams of travel are vast and varied. Each destination holds a promise of adventure, a chance to immerse ourselves in new cultures and create memories that last a lifetime. But the harsh reality is that travel, especially international travel, can be expensive. The excitement of planning a trip can quickly be overshadowed by the daunting costs. From the moment you start looking at flights, the price tags can be shocking. And it's not just the flights, accommodation, meals, and activities all add up. The dream of exploring new places can sometimes feel like it's slipping away, replaced by the stress of budgeting and financial constraints. Flights, accommodation, meals, activities, the costs add up quickly, often leaving us feeling like our travel dreams are simply out of reach. It's easy to feel disheartened when you see the total expenses. You might find yourself cutting corners, skipping experiences, or even postponing trips altogether. The financial burden can be overwhelming, making it seem like travel is a luxury only a few can afford. The good news is that you don't have to be a millionaire to see the world. With careful planning and a bit of creativity, you can make your travel dreams a reality. There are countless ways to save money and still have an incredible experience. From finding budget-friendly accommodations to discovering local eateries, every little bit helps. And with the right strategies, you can stretch your travel budget further than you ever thought possible. Affiliate marketing offers a practical and achievable path to funding your adventures. By leveraging the power of the internet, you can turn your passion for travel into a source of income. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, affiliate marketing provides an opportunity to earn money by promoting products and services you love. It's a win-win situation. You get to share your travel experiences and recommendations, and in return, you earn a commission. By strategically integrating affiliate links into your blog, social media posts, or website, you can monetize your passion for travel and generate passive income to fuel your wanderlust. Imagine writing about your favorite travel gear, the best hotels, or must-visit attractions and getting paid for it. The more engaging and authentic your content, the more likely your audience is to trust your recommendations and make purchases through your links. It's like having your travel fund work for you, even while you're busy planning your next adventure. As your affiliate marketing efforts grow, so does your income, allowing you to explore more destinations and create even more content. It's a cycle of passion and profit, where your love for travel fuels your earnings, and your earnings fuel your travels. So don't let the price tag of wanderlust hold you back. With the right approach, you can turn your travel dreams into reality, and embark on the adventures you've always dreamed of. Think of affiliate marketing as a referral program. It's a simple yet powerful way to earn money by sharing products or services you genuinely love and believe in. You recommend a product or service you love to your friends, family, or followers. Imagine you're on a trip with your friends, and you come across a fantastic travel gadget that makes your journey easier and more enjoyable. When they make a purchase using your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. This means that every time someone clicks on your link and buys the product, you get a percentage of the sale. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Let's say you're passionate about sustainable travel, and you've discovered an eco-friendly travel gear company. This company offers products that align with your values and make your travels more sustainable and enjoyable. You can sign up for their affiliate program and start promoting their products on your blog or social media. By sharing your experiences and the benefits of these products, you can inspire others to make eco-friendly choices. Every time someone clicks on your link and buys a backpack, you earn a commission. This not only helps you fund your travels but also promotes sustainable practices, or a reusable water bottle, you earn a percentage of the sale. These small commissions can add up over time, providing you with a steady stream of income. You earn a percentage of the sale. The more you share, the more you earn. It's a great way to turn your passion for travel into a source of income. The more people you refer, the more you earn. Imagine being able to fund your travels just by sharing products you love. It's not just about the money, it's about building a community of like-minded travelers who support each other. So start your affiliate marketing journey today and watch your travel dreams come true. Section 4. Packing your bags. Choosing the right affiliate programs. Just like you wouldn't pack just any bag for a trip, you need to be selective about the affiliate programs you choose. The key is to partner with companies and products that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. If you're a foodie traveler who loves sharing culinary experiences, consider partnering with food tour operators, cooking class providers, or even local restaurants in your favorite destinations. If adventure travel gets your adrenaline pumping, look for affiliate programs with outdoor gear companies, adventure travel agencies, or travel insurance providers specializing in adventure activities. Section 5. Mapping your route affiliate marketing platforms. Now that you have your affiliate programs, you need a platform to showcase them. Your blog, website, or social media channels are your virtual storefronts. This is where you'll create compelling content that seamlessly integrates your affiliate links, leading your audience to the products and services you recommend. Think of your content as your travel itinerary, guiding your audience through the journey of discovering and purchasing the products or services you're promoting. Share your personal experiences, provide valuable insights, and offer genuine recommendations to build trust and encourage conversions. Hit subscribe and the alert bell to never miss our money-making tips. Smash that like button if you're ready to boost your affiliate income. By joining our community, you'll stay updated with the latest strategies and insights to maximize your earnings. Imagine the freedom of funding your dream trips, exploring new destinations, and sharing your adventures with the world, all while earning a steady income. Together, we'll turn your wanderlust into a thriving affiliate marketing business. So join us now and let's embark on this exciting journey together.